Alright, welcome to Lush's Amazing Auto Detail Services and More. Today I got a client that wants me to do a full detail engine bay, and like always, this is video one. Then later this afternoon I'll get done with the vehicle and I'll post the video too. So until then, further ado, this is what I got to work for. Alrighty. Lush's Amazing Auto Detail Service some more. Have yourself a good morning and a good day. And just like I said, I'll post this video today, video one, and then I'll post the video two maybe the next day. But just sit back and enjoy and see the transformation. Alright, till then, Lush's Amazing Auto Detail Service some more, signing off.